So today we're going to explore what a 2021 Subaru Outback and a Digitrax DCS100 DCC command station have in common, right here on Black Hills and Eastern Railroad. So here's your first and only clue about what the common link between the Subaru Outback and the DCS100 command station is. So it turns out what these two things have in common, the Subaru Outback and the Digitrax DCS100, is a coin battery, a CR2032, the same coin battery in both of them. And I'm going to get started with the Subaru Outback's key fob here. I'm going to pull the spare key out, or the emergency key, put that little black tab on the back of the fob, and then I'm going to insert a flathead screwdriver here, and that is about the biggest I can use there, and I'm going to twist just a little bit to pop the back of that off. And what I can do is just pry that old battery out of there, and I'm going to replace it with the brand new one here from retail packaging. I will say that they didn't make it very easy to hack into the retail packaging on this new coin battery, and there's no backing or anything to take off here. There's just plastic on two sides. And I'm going to go ahead and insert this basically from the top of the fob down and sort of snap it in, and I'm done. All I got to do is replace the back door, and I put the bottom in first here. You see there's kind of a bit of a recess for that to fit into, and then snap it together. I'm going to replace the spare key, close, and I'm done.
Not as often as I probably should. Or maybe not.
Well, it appears we've got one problem solved. Now on to the next one. So here's part 2 of our video. I'm going to start by disconnecting all the stuff from Digitrax here, and I've already got the power cut to this, and I can take this connector out, and that leaves us the ability to just take the whole entire command station out of its place and work on it over on the shop bench. So as I mentioned, we've got the Digitrax DCS100 over here on the shop bench, and we're going to take a few screws out. There's 2 on the top and there's 2 on the bottom. My buddy Jim in Sioux Falls, on an N-scale layout, we had to take apart his Digitrax command station as well during the middle of the operating session and replace the battery to solve our problems there. I'll go ahead and pull this case off here now, and what we're left with is an empty battery. So the first battery here maintains, well, they both do the same job actually, but one battery is basically a backup of the other. And what we're going to do here is grab one of these brand new CR2032 batteries and put in the command station in the second slot here. So I'm just going to take a screwdriver and pry up on that contact a little bit very gently and slide that coin battery in underneath there. And there we go. So I did go ahead and remove the old battery from here just for fear of it blowing up. And I'll put a note on the case here to replace the, or to put a spare battery in here in a year or two, just so we don't lose track of when this was done. And all that's left here is basically to replace the case on the system, and everything slides right back in from the back. Digitrax Incorporated, Norcross, Georgia. How many of y'all know where that is, or even been there? Okay, so we're ready to put this back out on the layout. So we're going to plug the command station back in and then restore power. I think we're good, guys. So that's the 2 jobs that we're going to do with the Digitrax DCS100 and a Subaru Outback remote key fob. Both the same battery, the coin battery CR2032. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked the content here. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Better question is yet, how many of you all have heard a native South Dakotan say y'all? So we're going to plug the command station back in. This is harder to do than it looks with just one hand.